Actually, marami ako nadaanan. Umiyak pa nga ako minsan eh. Ba't ka sumasali?
You experienced
Oh,
it?
yeah. Sayang lang yan. Magastos sa pera.
Sinaranasan ko nung bata ko. Kaya nag-join ako dito, hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi na may pagmamalaki ako na pwede rin kahit na may anak ka na, may asawa ka na, pwede kang sumali.
Ko na lang sarili ko, and then back of that, syempre, although may edad na, marami din namang, hindi naman lahat perfect. So,
Yes.
pag 56 ka, bakit pa sumali yan?
Yeah,
So,
there are people
there are people like that. So,
Mo, at naniniwala ka na kaya mong gawin kahit na sabihin mong may edad ka na, may anak ka na, magagawa mo pa rin na ma-achieve yung gusto mo at yung dream mo talaga na kahit papano makasali sa ganito beauty pageant. Kaya yun.
Hello guys, this is Promise, the host of Simply Promise and You. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. If you have any opinions, ensure to drop them in the comment section. It promises to be informative, educative, and entertaining. Welcome guys!
Welcome back to our new video. Now, as you can see, I have two beautiful women here by my side. So, we can introduce them now. What's your name po?
My name is Karina Miyagumi.
Karina and
Jocelyn Sarban.
Jocelyn. So, okay. So, they are contestants of Mrs. Global Continents 2025, and we're here at the venue, which is at City Deluxe restaurant. And now, they represent Japan, but with different cities. I represent Philippines, sorry, and then Tokyo, Japan. Okay. So, ma'am, can I ask, why did you join Mrs. Global Continents?
Okay. I joined Mrs. Global Continents 2025 because it's my dream since I was a child. But actually, because I'm a breadwinner and I almost threw this, I almost threw this ambition, but now it's time. It's time for me to give for myself na to spend time for me na pwede na akong gumawa ng gusto kong gawin. So, maybe naisip ko na my ambition is like a beauty contest. So, I started entering contest last 2 years ago.
How about you po? Why did you join Mrs. Global Continents?
Good evening. I joined Mrs. Global Continent kasi gusto kong bigyan yung sarili ko na kumbaga, hindi ko kasi naranasan to nung bata ko. Kaya nag-join ako dito, hindi lang para sa sarili, kundi na may pagmamalaki ako na pwede rin kahit na may anak ka na, may asawa ka na, pwede kang sumali sa pamamagitan nito, maano mo yung sarili mo na kumpleto ka rin pala kahit na sabihin mo. Oo, yes. Dream ko talaga ito nung mula pa ng bata pa. Kasi sa dami namin magkakapatid, parang gusto ko, hindi lang yung mga kapatid ko, ako din gusto ko. Kaya yun. Salamat.
How about, for the last question, I guess, because we're also going now. What can you say to those who are the same with your age? Na they also want to join pageants like this, but they are afraid of judgments. Like, syempre may mga toxic people na they would say, oh, why would you still join? Bakit ngayon pa? Yes. So what can you say to them?
Okay. Actually, I'm 56 years old. So,
Looks
I'm
young.
I'm starting pageant last 3 years ago. And then, wala naman yun sa edad. Age doesn't matter. That's only a number.
Yeah,
So,
of course.
syempre, pag gusto mo, if you want, kung gusto mo yung sarili mo na gano'n, so, itry mo talaga na. Kasi syempre, before, nagtatrabaho kami, di ba, for the family. So, Ngayon, malaki na yung mga bata, may apo na nga ako. So, I have already grandchildren. So, yan, parang gift ko na lang sarili ko. And then, back of that, syempre, although may edad na, marami din namang, hindi naman lahat perfect. So,
Yes.
pag 56 ka, bakit pa sumali yan?
Yeah,
So,
there are people
yeah,
like
there are
that.
people like that. So, sabi ko, actually marami ako nadaanan. Umiyak pa nga ako minsan eh. Ba't ka sumasali?
You experienced it.
Oh, yeah. Sayang lang yan. Magastos sa yan, magastos sa pera. Ang explanation ko lang, gusto ko kasi yun. Pag gusto mo, masaya ka. Yung di gusto, hindi nila maintindihan yun.
Yes.
Yeah, yun lang sabi ko. Kasi sabi ko, oo nga, 56 na ako. Pero, syempre, gusto mo naman maranasan na, malay mo, manalo pa ako.
And for fulfillment.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero, actually, maganda to kasi ma-share mo to sa mga may edad na yan. Oh, may chance ka pa pala na sumali. Wala yun sa edad.
Mhm.
So,
Okay. How about you?
Para sa akin, ano lang, kumbaga sa akin, gusto kong ma-experience ang mga ganitong event, lalo na sa pageant. Kahit sabi mong hindi ka kagandahan, basta may tiwala ka sa sarili mo, at naniniwala ka na kaya mong gawin, kahit na sabihin mong may edad ka na, may anak ka na, magagawa mo pa rin na ma-achieve yung gusto mo at yung dream mo talaga na kahit papano makasali sa ganito beauty pageant. Kaya yun. Yun lang.
So yeah, as you can see, guys, these are only two of the women who can serve as your inspiration if you want to join pageants, especially if you're also the same with their ages. But as you can see, they look young. They look younger than their age. And yeah, okay. But it doesn't look like you guys are in your 40s and 50s. So yeah, guys, if you have any comments, you can comment down below. If you have any perceptions about their ideas, about their thoughts about joining pageants, you can comment down below. Like this video, share this to your family and friends, and of course, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and tap the notification bell so you can be updated on our new videos. Bye!